This video, I am going to show you how you can format the directory listing in PowerShell. So first of all, if you are a CMD user, you have enjoyed the command dir like this to get the directory listing in the command prompt. But in PowerShell, there is no such dir command, but I have just shown you the dir command. Actually, it is a alias. Alias, you can say another name, another name for the command. Like in DNS, we use canonical name. In PowerShell, we can say it alias. So there are various commands. The actual command is get-ChildItem. As you can see, the output is the same. So dir is the alias of get-ChildItem command. And here is the, if you want to see the different alias, what are the different alias in PowerShell, you can use this command get alias. So you will find the entire list of alias along with the actual command. So like if I want to run this command ps, mean I want to run the get process command, I can just write down ps, so I can get the full processes that are running on my computer. Similarly, like here we can use the get alias gal. We can use the gal, and to get the child item, we can use the gcs, gcm, and dir also. So there are two alias of the get child item command, as you can see. So So now I am going to show you how we can format the directory listing. So I can use the dir again command. So let's assume I want only text file, because it is showing me folders also, that is representing D's directories, and where minus is a file. Same if you have worked in Linux, same is the output, if you can remember from Linux. So let's format it. So I will use now get child item start.txt. So there are two files which we have used in our previous examples, output.txt and text.txt. So there are multiple fields that are hidden in this output. So let's bring them one by one. So get child item start.text by format list. So here you can see by this command, uh, we got some other properties also, like name of the file was showing, the length of the file was showing, the creation time was not showing, and last write time was showing, and last access time and version info was not showing, and some other fields that were not showing. We can also use this property field to extract some useful data, like name of the file, length of the file, and creation time. So here we have used the property filter to extract the name, length, and creation time of the files. Similarly, you can format this output with the format table command also. So you can get this item, these item in the tabular format also. This was the practical I need to show you. Thanks for